Welcome to the sunny state of Arizona, where the business opportunities are as vast as its desert landscapes. Today, we'll explore why Arizona is the best option for entrepreneurs looking to start a business, and we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of forming an LLC and obtaining an Employer Identification Number, EIN, in Arizona. So, let's dive right in. Arizona boasts a vibrant and diverse business ecosystem that's perfect for entrepreneurs. Here are some key reasons why you should consider starting your business in the Grand Canyon state. 1. Business-friendly environment. Arizona has consistently been ranked as one of the top states for business-friendly policies, low taxes, and minimal regulations. The state government actively supports entrepreneurship, offering various incentives and programs to help businesses thrive. 2. Strategic location. Situated in the southwestern part of the United States, Arizona serves as an excellent gateway to the thriving markets of California, Texas, and Mexico. The state's proximity to major cities like Phoenix and Tucson provides ample opportunities for networking and collaboration. 3. Growing industries. Arizona has a thriving tech industry, with a growing focus on renewable energy, aerospace, and manufacturing. The state's tourism and hospitality sectors also offer substantial growth potential, thanks to its iconic landmarks and beautiful landscapes. 4. Diverse talent pool. Home to renowned universities and research centers, Arizona offers a skilled and diverse workforce for your business needs. The state's commitment to education and training ensures a steady supply of talented professionals. Now, let's get down to business. Starting an LLC in Arizona is a straightforward process. An LLC, or limited liability company, offers business owners the advantages of limited liability protection and a flexible management structure. Step 1. Choose your LLC name. The first step is to choose a unique name for your LLC. Ensure that the name complies with Arizona's naming requirements and doesn't infringe on existing trademarks. You can check the availability of your desired name with the Arizona Corporation Commission (ACC) website. Step 2. Appoint a registered agent. Next, you'll need to appoint a registered agent for your LLC. The registered agent is responsible for receiving legal documents on behalf of your business. This individual or entity must have a physical address in Arizona. Step 3. File Articles of Organization. Now, it's time to file the Articles of Organization with the Arizona Corporation Commission. This document officially forms your LLC and includes essential information such as the LLC's name, address, registered agent details, and purpose. Once your LLC is formed, it's time to set up your office and get ready to hire employees. To do that, you'll need an Employer Identification Number, EIN. Step 4. What is an EIN? An Employer Identification Number, EIN, is a unique 9-digit number assigned by the IRS to identify your business entity for tax purposes. It's essentially a social security number for your business. Applying for an EIN in Arizona is free and can be done online through the IRS website. Before applying, ensure you have all the necessary information, such as your LLC's legal name, address, and the responsible party's social security number. Let's walk you through the EIN application process. Step 6. Go to IRS website. Visit the IRS website, www.irs.gov, and search for Apply for an EIN in the search bar. Click on the relevant link to access the application. Step 7. Choose the type of EIN. Select the option that best describes your business entity. Since we're setting up an LLC, choose Limited Liability Company, LLC. Step 8. Provide LLC information. Fill out the necessary information about your LLC, including the legal name, mailing address, and the effective date when you want the EIN to become valid. Step 9. Specify the responsible party. Identify the responsible party for the LLC. This is typically the owner or person responsible for the business's financial and legal matters. You'll need their social security number. Step 10. Review and submit. Double-check all the information you've provided, and once you're sure it's accurate, submit the application. The IRS will process your application, and upon approval, you'll receive your EIN immediately. Congratulations! You've successfully formed your LLC in Arizona and obtained your EIN. You're now ready to launch your business and embark on your entrepreneurial journey in this exciting state. Arizona offers a landscape of opportunities for entrepreneurs like you. Its business-friendly environment, strategic location, and diverse talent pool make it the perfect choice to start and grow your business. Remember, entrepreneurship comes with its challenges, but with determination and hard work, your business can thrive in the desert oasis of Arizona. So, go ahead and make your mark in this vibrant state. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 1 minute through Northwest Registered Agent. The full review of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below. Starting an LLC? Let us show you how to do it in a right way. First thing first, the whole point of an LLC is to separate you and your business. That's what protects your finances and privacy. Start by appointing a registered agent. Your LLC official point of contact. Hiring a registered agent is a smart and affordable method to maximize privacy. Next, see if your name is available by checking your state business database. Now you are ready to file state paperwork. The average fee is around $100. Apply for a free EIN from IRS website. Having your tax ID in hand you'll make the rest steps easy. Put your LLC policy in writing with an operating agreement. Make it easy with free template like ours. Remember when we said LLC separates you and your business, that's why your LLC needs its own bank account. Your bank account does not do any good in empty, time for each member to contribute. Be prepared for annual files and fees like state reports and taxes. Check the link in the description below. Start your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent.